All right, this is kind of like a progress report. I'm just making this video for my records and anybody out there in the YouTube verse that might care about gardening. Doubt it. These gardening videos don't get much traction, but it's not what my channel's for. I know people are here for. But anyways, I'm just gonna look at my zinnia. Man, this thing is like it's so robust. It's like a tree. Like I trimmed it so it would grow like this, as opposed to a bush. And I love the way it turned out. It's just having some balance problems. I had to put a stick down and tie it so it could stand up straight because it's a little too top heavy. My mums are coming back in. I had some problems with those. They were I was a little too rough with them when I got them from Home Depot or Lowe's, and I just cut off all the like damaged growth, and they're growing in really well. It looks great. Same story with the yellow ones. I got some yellow growing in down here. I need to cut off that dead growth up at the top. I'll do that at some point today. My yucca plant looking nice and healthy. Wish it would grow the flower. Speaking of flowers, my marigolds finally bloomed. I've been waiting for months for this. Finally got those big orange balls that been waiting for, and they smell good. Yeah, and I got some more about to bloom down here. Some more small ones. My carrots are probably just about ready to pick. And not much more they can do in here. My lettuce isn't coming in very well. I got a Mizuna, but that's like all that really came in. But I'm gonna be patient with it and see if anything comes up. So I got like 8 kinds of lettuce in there, and just got one so far. My red potatoes are coming up. There's a nice little cute growth here. That's gonna like spread across the entire this plain, just like my sweet potatoes did. They're gonna need to be picked soon. Got my avocado, Hass avocado or hash, however you pronounce it. They're looking nice and healthy. Interacting with the sweet potato plant here. That's pretty much it. All my other plants are inside now, and part two of the video will probably be that. Probably just show off what I'm doing in my room in terms of plants. Might just show off my whole room in general. Just to have something different to upload because I'm getting baseball. Yeah, I love baseball, but just need a little switch up, if you know what I mean. But yeah, that's my garden. That's what's left of it. What's outside at this point. Everything else is inside for the winter. And yeah,